And today Colton and I are going to be checking out this silly little remote control tractor. It plays music, it has wobbly wheels, it does all kinds of cool crazy stuff, and we're going to turn it on and we want to get Colton's reaction to see how much he likes it, right? And then you guys can tell us how much you like it. So let's go ahead. We're going to turn it on. Are you ready? Listen. That is the controller for it. All right, hold on. Let me get the camera ready. You ready?
That is so cool.
Ready? All right. Let's see you drive it. Is that crazy? Whoa.
He did an amazing flip.
These tractors do come in multiple colors. They are designed to be silly and hop and do crazy things, which is what makes them that much more fun. Here, put it back over here. Here, push the button in the middle. It's got a demo mode. Watch. Ready? This button right here. Push this button right there. It's gone crazy. Whoa. He's crazy. So as you can see, he's a super silly little tractor. He's got LEDs. His hood lifts up. You can see his engine under there. And it's just a fun, cool little toy. Hit the center button again. Let's see it go crazy. Oh, you ready? Whoa! Flip him back over. I know, you gotta keep him dry, huh? So what do you think, Colty, on a scale of 1 to 10?
I give it a 60 out of 10.
Awesome, that's a good score. So if you guys are looking for a cool little gift for birthdays and Christmas and Easter and all the upcoming holidays, this is going to be a very cool little tractor. What do you think?
It's cool.
It's cool.